Good morning, parents, and good morning to my lovely children. So, today we are going to start with a new topic in English, that is the articles. What is the topic? The topic is articles. So, children, there are three parts under the articles A and D. Which are the three parts? A and D. So, children, today I will tell you about the use of these three words, that where we have to use a, where we have to use an, and where we have to use the. So first of all, I will tell you about A. A is used when the noun begins with a consonant. Children, what are consonants? We know about the five vowels. Yes. Which are the five vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Which are the five vowels? A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the alphabets are the consonants. What are these? These are the consonants. So children, A is used when the noun begins with a consonant. A always comes with singular noun. What is singular noun? Singular noun means when we are talking about one thing, one person, or any of the noun or any of the word which is singular, which is one. So children, consonants are all these words which start with these alphabets are consonants, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So children, all these are consonants. Then I will tell you about an. We always use an when the noun begins with a vowel. Children, there are five vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Any word which is starting with these alphabets, we always use an before it, like an apple, an ice cream, an elephant, an umbrella, an owl. So these are the vowels. Then children, an is always comes before a singular noun. A and an both comes with a singular noun, which is one. Then children comes the. The is used to refer any particular person, place or thing. When we are talking about a specific, a particular person, a particular place, or a specific thing. Then when there is only one such thing, like earth. Earth is only one. There is no different parts of earth. The sun is only one in the whole sky. The moon is also only one in the whole sky. So the is used with the name of the nouns, which is only one. Before the name of famous buildings. Any famous building like the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, any building that is very famous, the India Gate. So we use the before the name of famous buildings. Then children, before the name of holy books or important books. Which are the holy books? Holy books means religious books, जिसमें हमें we get to know about religions. So we use the before it. Like the Bible. Bible is a book of Christians. So we use the before Bible because this is a holy book of Christians. So the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. So these are the name of the important books or the holy books. Then children, the is used before the special names like rivers. The name of the rivers are Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri. These three are the famous or special names of rivers. So we use the before them. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Kaveri. Same way, seas. The Red Sea, the Arabian Sea. Then comes the oceans. The Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. These are the special names where we have to use the before them. Then children, Here are some of the examples of A, an and D. This is an egg. Egg. The word starts with E. E is a vowel. So we use an before E. An egg. Then moon. Moon is only one in the whole sky, in the whole world. So this is a specific thing. We use the before moon. Then this is a pencil. Pencil. The word starts with P. P is a consonant. So we use A before consonants. In the same way, this is a umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. So U is a vowel and we will write an umbrella. Then this is the Ganga river. Ganga. It is very famous place. Ganga. The Ganga. This is a tree. Tree. T is a consonant. So we will write A. A tree. So children, I hope that you will understand this video very carefully. Watch it properly. Then I will give you one worksheet also to do it at your home. Thank you.